So this is a quick demonstration of how to install the Tracker app on a Windows 10 machine. So what I have here is a virtual machine with a fresh installed Windows 10. I'm opening up the web browser and I'm going to head to the website, which is phys.org/tracker. And so once that comes up, you'll be taken to the homepage. In the homepage, you'll find downloads for different operating systems: Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Okay, so here's the page. You can see there's a Try Tracker Online link. So I recommend that you not use that for this project. For any serious work, you should try to actually download the installer for your operating system. So here we're doing Windows, so I've clicked on Windows, and you'll see that downloads. I've sped that up. Eventually the file will show up in your downloads folder like that. It says Tracker 6.0.3, and you can just double click the installer to start the installation process. So in a second here, the installer window will pop up. And if you've installed programs on Windows before, this should be very familiar. You can just click yes to accept the agreement and keep clicking the next button. You can accept the default options. You don't need to install the videos and experiments, additional content, and then your installation progress will pop up after a few of those windows. So after a second, the installation will continue. I'm going to speed through that here, and it should give you a few options after it's done installing. You can view README file, view installation log, and launch tracker. I'm going to turn off launch tracker just so you can see how it's actually launched. So I'll open this up in the start menu and just search for tracker, and you can see that the app is there. So you can launch it from here at any time.